YouTube, it's your boy Fallout. We're back here with another motherfucking video for y'all. Today we're giving Scott the oil change. Go ahead and get this bitch jacked up. It'll probably take forever. Hit the other side also. Goddamn. Alright, I should be able to slide my big ass up underneath this motherfucker now. Too far. Alright, I think it's 18 is back there for the fucking bolt for the oil tank.
These nice annoying.
Nah, you good.
Yes, he needs you. Yes.
Alright, so we got the oil pouring out now, and it's not an 18, it's actually a 16. I don't know why the fuck I said 18. But yeah, it's going now. Gonna let that bitch drain out, and then we're gonna hit the oil filter, which is back over on that side right there. Let me see if I can pop the camera up over there, let y'all see me do that. That bitch gonna go for a little minute. This is the one thing I hate about this car though, is fucking oil changes. It's just, this shit takes 2 fucking gallons of fucking oil, and so I gotta buy like 2 fucking oil filter deal, 2 oil change deals just to make this shit not be so fucking expensive. I spent fucking like 90 bucks to do this shit, man. I need to get my other car back up so I can stop fucking putting miles on this motherfucker and just have this bitch run. I've been dailying it a lot lately, and that shit is not the fucking wave. And I think that is about done. I'm gonna go set up on the other side, and I'm gonna do the oil filter.
Yeah.
Alright, so I forgot to definitely record me taking out the filter. But I mean, I guess that's a good thing. It went pretty PG. That bitch burnt the shit out of me. Said some unholy things. But we're about to put the new one in. You know, you gotta lube her up. If I can get her open. Gotta lube her up, man, you know. Can't hunch while you dry. It starts forest fires. Yeah, they bitch be thirstier than the damn car, man. that? Yeah. And you know, you gotta ride that bitch across the seal like so. Alright, now we can go drop this bitch in and then come up to the top and drop the oil in. Damn, I don't even think I got a motherfucking filter, or not filter. Man, y'all know what the fuck I'm trying to talk about. I ain't even gotta say too much.
You want me to stop or to keep it on?
You can keep going. I'll let him see me put it in. God damn, this shit's hot, man. All right, she's in. So we got that motherfucker in. Gonna drop the oil in on top. Hey, cut it real fast. Alright, we finna do this bitch the ghetto motherfucker way. This is how we do shit over here. Adapt and overcome. Alright, go ahead. Yeah, you better not spill it.
I'm trying not to.
That shit, $40 a gallon, bro.
That shit gonna take too long.
I mean, once you get that bitch about half, you can pour a lot more.
Huh?
I said, once you get about half, you can flip that bitch.
That's just like coming at it. Like that shit is dead.
Dead as fuck. Anyways, YouTube, that's the process. I'm gonna start this bitch back up.
With Jeff Hardy, rock and roll wet, this talk got nuts, the Drake gon' hit the hardest. 11.76 tools, we put them in men tools. Your homie got hit with lead, but